What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a USB audio interface. So it's going to be something that you can use to record vocals, music, instruments, different things like that. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can get a look at it. All right, so when you open up the box, you'll notice that you get some instructions so you know how to use it, how to plug it up. You also get a couple of cables. You have a USB-A to a USB-C cable. This could be used for power. And then you also have a USB-A cable. This is going to be for both power and data transfer. So let's get a look at the unit. This is going to be where you're going to be connecting those USB-A or USB-C cables. So you have the data connection. You would choose a power source. So if you're going to be connecting directly to, say for instance, your laptop, your computer, or mobile device, you're going to use this. You can also use this as a standalone. So you can use the USB-C for your power, and you would just switch the power source to USB-C when using that. You have an audio out, so you can connect some headphones. That's going to be the 3.5 millimeter jack. You have an on and off button for your 48 volt. So if you're using a condenser microphone, those are going to use a 48 volt. So you need that power to be able to use that type of microphone. You have two audio out inputs, left and right, so you can connect some speakers directly to this, or if you're going to go directly into a mixer, so this way the audio left and right, depending on what's coming out of that audio port, is going to go to those left and right outputs to your other interface. Now on the front, it's going to be where your other two audio inputs are going to be, and the controls for them. And this can be used to have a mic plugged in, have a guitar plugged in, or another musical instrument. You have gain controls for each source. You also have your mix control, or you can go full mono, and your out control, whether you want it to loop back, you can control the sound that way. And then also you have a front output for monitor, and you have the volume control for that monitor here. Now this is going to be a 24-bit 192 hertz high definition audio recording, so that's going to give you really good sound quality. So if you're going to be using this for voiceovers, podcasting, music, studio, this is going to be great, especially for beginners, to learn how to use this, learn how to control, get your audio mixed in really well. Now, to give you an example of how this works, you can use something like this. This is going to be GarageBand on the iPad. I have it connected to a USB docking station, so that way I can charge my iPad and have audio source as well. So to get this connected, I would just connect my microphone that I have here. Say for instance, I'm going to be doing a voiceover for my video. I can just plug this in to the audio input, XLR input 1. I have a monitor. If I want to monitor my voice, I plug that into the output. And then I would take the USB connection, connect it to the back, and then I would connect this into my dock. Now, once that's connected, you'll notice a red light on the front. That's going to give you indication that we have power. Once I turn my gain up, then we have indication that the microphone is on. And from here, all we have to do is check the software to make sure that we're getting readings on the levels on the software. And once you see those levels going up and down, that means that it's working like it's supposed to. From here, you can just go ahead and record your audio where there's going to be your voice. You can plug in another input. Say for instance, you have a musical instrument. You can plug that in and have a separate channel and go ahead and mix in the audio that you need to mix. And this is going to be the 2-in, 2-out USB audio interface. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.